इस बीच गोदरेज प्रॉपर्टीज की एक प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस चल रहा है, ये सुन लेते हैं उनका क्या कहना है।
And our net profit by 24%. Our margins have also improved to about 29%, and we've been able to reduce debt this quarter by over 100 crore. From an operational perspective, we've had a very good quarter. From a bookings point of view, we grew in value terms by about 85%, which takes the 9-month year-to-date growth on bookings perspective to 160%. This has been driven largely by the continuing success of our new launches. So in quarter 3, we had 4 new launches across the 3 very important markets for us of Mumbai, NCR and Bangalore. In Mumbai, we launched the 3rd phase of our project in Vikhroli Godrej Platinum. That has seen very good volumes, and we've actually increased prices over a 12-month period by about 40% in that project. Similarly, our project Godrej Summit in Gurgaon has seen very strong success. We, as some of you know, launched that project in September and sold about 1 million square feet on the first day that we launched the project. For the 2nd phase, our intent has been to push prices up and focus more on margins, and we've done that quite successfully at prices about 25% higher than our first phase prices. We've sold another 100,000 square feet of space in that project. And the 3rd city where we actually had 2 launches this quarter was Bangalore. And here again, the launches have done very well, particularly our project Godrej E-City, where we sold about 375,000 square feet of space in quarter 3. That project was launched at the beginning of the quarter. Actually, the response was well beyond what we were expecting, so we launched a 2nd phase of that project within the same quarter, which hadn't initially been planned. So I think that has also gone very well. From a new business development perspective, we also saw some success in the 3rd quarter. We added 1 new redevelopment project in Mumbai, in Curry Road. In that project, we hope to launch over the next 12 months. And actually, with this new redevelopment project in the last quarter of calendar year 2012, we've actually been successful in adding at least 1 new project in each of the quarters of calendar year 2012. So I think that shows good momentum in the redevelopment space for Godrej Properties. There have been a number of other highlights for the quarter, which I'm sure we can discuss in the Q&A. But I think broadly,
तो गोदरेज प्रॉपर्टीज का मुनाफा 24% बढ़ा है और कंपनी की काफ़ी एग्रेसिव योजनाएं भी हैं एक्सपेंशन को रिगार्डिंग। आशीष, शुक्रिया आपका कार्यक्रम में जुड़ने के लिए। आप फटाफट से ये भी जान लेते हैं कि